Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change a pie chart to a bar chart in Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you want to visualize your form responses in a different format that might be easier to read or better suited for your presentation needs. First things first, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. This will give you access to all your Google Forms and their associated data. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms. This displays all the forms you've created or recently worked on. Browse through this list and click on the specific form where you want to change the pie chart to a bar chart. Selecting the right form is crucial since you'll be working with its response data. Once you've opened your form, look at the top toolbar and click on Responses. This tab is where all the magic happens, as it contains all the data collected from your form submissions. The Responses section gives you a quick overview of how people have answered your questions. Now, to get more control over how you visualize this data, click on View in Sheets. This action will open your form responses in Google Sheets, which is where you'll have full flexibility to create and customize different types of charts. The spreadsheet will open in a new tab, and you might need to wait a moment for all your data to load properly. In the Google Sheets window, highlight the data you want to visualize with a bar chart. This could be a single column or multiple columns depending on what information you want to display. After selecting your data, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert, then from the drop-down options, select Chart. This will automatically create a chart based on your selected data and open a chart editor panel on the right side of your screen. In the right panel, you'll see various customization options. Navigate to the section labeled Chart Type. Here, click the drop-down menu and you'll see a wide variety of chart options available. Scroll through the list until you find bar chart and select it. The moment you do this, your pie chart will transform into a bar chart, giving you a completely different way to visualize the same data. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your pie chart to a bar chart in Google Forms by using Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.